Dig deeper into your side. Yeah. She knows the auto isn't hers. And she knows she has to go back to her job at the pharmacy. Why does she keep up the act until the very last second?
Struggling.
Struggling, frustration, independent. Feeling ini masa kayon.
Frustration, sir.
Wait lang, I compose myself.
Ayan.
I, I, I think she is, she doesn't like her life. She wants to, ma'am, hindi niya kasi matanggap yung katotohanan na mahirap lang siya. Like, she wants to takasan yung realidad niya kahit sandali lang.
That's a very important point. She wants to takasan or escape her reality. So, she is feeling a deep discontent with her life. Can we say she is dissatisfied with her social standing?
Yes, ma'am. She is satisfied. She wants to pretend that she is part of the high society para maramdaman niya na importante siya.
Exactly. She wants to feel validated or important. She uses that pretense as a way to cope with her actual situation. So, class, is her conflict really with the man, or is it an internal conflict caused by societal pressure?
I think it's internal, ma'am. Because siya mismo. I think it's internal, ma'am. Because siya mismo, yung nahihiya sa sarili niya. She's the one ashamed of herself because of what society thinks is successful.
Ma'am Chef, sir. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now, based on the script, is that an example of translanguaging?
Translanguaging.
The teacher demonstrated translanguaging while the student who is struggling demonstrated code switching.
Do you agree po? Yes. If you are going to notice, tinatranslate lang din ni teacher yung mga sinasabi ni student. Okay? Yung mga naka-highlight. Okay. She wants to takasan or escape her reality. That's already translanguaging. So, she's feeling a deep discontent in her life, with her life. Ano yung inano niya doon? Anong discontent doon? Hindi niya matanggap. Okay. Can we say she's dissatisfied with her social standing? Okay, so this strategy, the conversation between the student and the teacher uses the translanguaging. Bakit kaya? Ano kaya yung purpose ng teacher doon, sir?
To still focus on the medium instruction ng English mo.
In other words, the teacher accepted yung mga terms ng estudyante in Filipino and was able to translate it in English without okay. So hindi napahiya yung estudyante, di ba? Okay. Parang hindi na demoralize yung estudyante na hindi niya alam yung mga terms doon. So the student was able to know the terms, how she is going to say it through the teacher. In other words, translanguaging is not replacing English into instruction, but instead, it is scaffolding the access to meaning. So the main purpose is that to scaffold the access to meaning. That is to make the learners understand the lesson.